Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it. As you can see, it's a very nice box. It's actually very sturdy, the box is. A lot of you people may not care about that, but I do. I think about repacking either this product or something else. So, alright, that's the box. Welcome to our place. We saved you a seat. You can see it says Wonder Oven on there. What do we have in here? So on top we have just kind of paperwork talking about all the different uses, instructions and stuff, and what comes with it. And then you get a nice cool recipe book. That's pretty cool. Here you go. Here's a QR code if you guys want to scan that. Go ahead and scan that. See what kind of recipes. Buffalo wings, my favorite. Glazed salmon, awesome. And whole roasted chicken. You can roast a whole chicken in here. That's 4 to 4.5 pounds. So we might have to try that out. Maybe not in this video, but a different video. And then you just have the actual owner's manual telling you how to use everything. Alright, so let's actually get into it. Sorry if the table's shaking, I have the camera on the table. So. Take these out so it slides out better. And we went with the beige color, kind of matches our kitchen a little bit better. But we do like the blue as well. We actually liked all the colors, but the blue and the beige were the ones that we liked the most. So right here you can see there's a fill cap. This is for if you want to steam or roast. You just fill the cap up with water and then you can put it right down inside here. And that'll give you the steam. I've seen a lot of people use to reheat pizza so it's not stiff. But alright, enough talking. Let's go ahead, pull it out, and show you guys. It's not really heavy at all, so that's not a worry. Alright, nothing else in the box. If this doesn't remind you of an easy bake oven, I don't know what does. This is like the adult size. This would be really great for kids to go ahead and use with the parents. I thought that was a really cool idea. That's kind of why my wife wanted it. She wanted to be able to do stuff with the kids, with our girls. Doing something like this because she reminded her of when she was a child having an easy bake oven. This is just basically an adult easy bake oven, so really cool. Oh, that door is nice. You get a lot of resistance on the door so you can feel that quality. Oh, that's nice. And it's spring loaded too, so if I was to let go it would just shoot back, so just keep that in mind. Again, sorry for the table bounce up and down. There is some stuff in here. And you can see just how nice. Look how clean that is. That's super nice. This would make for an amazing gift. This was my wife's birthday gift, so she's actually really excited about it. And I'll take the camera off some more in just a second and show you more. But let's go ahead, open this up, see what's in here. This is the non-stick pan, non-toxic, non-stick. Apparently you don't need to put anything on this, no oil, no grease, no butter, nothing like that. You can, if you're doing cookies or something like that, you just put the cookies on there, shove it in, bam, you're good to go. No problems there. And then you got another, I don't know what you would call this, another sheet, baking sheet. Somebody in the comments remind me what that's called. I know what it's called, I'm just having a brain fart. Once that camera goes on, it's really hard sometimes to remember. And this is gonna be your, god dang it. This is basically gonna be your crumb catch or crumb something. Look, I'm a guy, alright? My wife knows what all this stuff is called. I don't. And another cooking rack. And all these you just slide inside. It would just fit right in here. just like so. Easy day. Then the crumb catch right there, and there you go. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna set it up, get a different camera angle for you guys so you can get a better angle. Then we'll go over the knobs and stuff. In case you guys were wondering, this is called an air fryer basket. This is for the air fryer. I should have known that. All right, so now we have an unbox. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more in depth. Right here we have the temperature. It goes from 200 to 450 max. And what I heard about this and what I read about this, it's really cool because it heats up immediately. You're not waiting for that big oven like in the kitchen to heat up. So this one heats up immediately. I guess you just put on the temperature you want, throw the food in, and you're gonna set the timer. This is, I guess, that old school. Can you hear that? All right, so as you can see right here, it does have 6 settings. You have air fry, bake, broil. You got low, and then low at 400 and high at 450. Reheat, roast, and then toast. It says set to 450. All right, so this is, let's go ahead. The door does not come all the way down, which might be an issue if you're gonna like grab something off the bottom. But I've seen people put it up on like a 1-inch wood block, and it allows the door to come lay flat. That's not a big deal to me. We'll see if it is. Obviously I'll report back. We're not going to cook anything today on this. This is just going to be an unboxing video and show you guys what it comes with. You get the wire rack like I mentioned before. And then if you want to do air fry, you have the air fry basket. And then again, the cookie baking sheet or baking sheet. Not necessarily cookie, you can put whatever you want on there to bake. Then you got the crumb catch. I guess that's what it's called. And that just goes right there in the bottom. But I do love how it's all nice, and right now it's nice. I mean, obviously when we cook in this thing, it's not gonna be as nice, but it is a beautiful little machine, easy bake oven type thing. Looks like my wife's gonna have a lot of fun with this. Her and the kids and the girls. So we'll report back. Next video you see about this thing, we're gonna go through all 6 settings and try everything out. So that is the Wonder Oven by Our Place unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. There will be a link down in the description down below to make it easy for you guys to find it. It is a great gift. I know this is like going viral right now, which I understand because it looks like a pretty cool idea. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.